वो आप सोच लेना, ठीक है। सो लेट अस बिगिन। सभी नोट्स प्रॉपर ले और कल से प्रॉपर टाइमिंग ज्वाइन करने पड़ेगा। द लास्ट टॉपिक लेट अस बिगिन प्रोबेबिलिटी। बेटे साथ साथ सभी लिखोगे क्योंकि 11th में वॉट एवर यू हैव सीन दैट्स आई एम जस्ट डूइंग रिविजन ऑफ 11th स्टैंडर्ड। राइट डाउन विद मी ओनली, ओके। जस्ट हाफ एन आवर लेफ्ट, थोड़ा फास्ट लिखोगे, साथ साथ स्टार्ट राइट नाउ। सबसे पहले प्रोबेबिलिटी, इफ यू नो द आंसर यू कैन स्पीक, ओके। एनीबडी नोज अबाउट रैंडम वेरिएबल? रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट, नॉट वेरिएबल, रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट। बेटा anybody can say random experiment? Yes बच्चे? No? Now start right. In any experiment whose outcome whose outcomes cannot be determined, बेटे साथ साथ लिखना, बेटे टाइम नहीं है, ये 11th में जो पढ़ा है रिवीजन करा रही हूं। सो इन एनी एक्सपेरिमेंट whose outcomes cannot be determined, example tossing a coin, how we know head मिलेगा tail मिलेगा, tossing a coin, or throwing a die, okay। Write down everybody. Now what is sample space? Sample space is denoted by capital S, okay, capital letter. So sample space क्या होता है? in any experiment whose outcome can be determined, whose outcomes can be determined। बेटे साथ साथ जरूर लिखना फास्ट। So it is denoted by S. So example I am giving example, write down neatly. First example, suppose throwing a or tossing a coin. Tossing a coin. So what is the outcome? Either head or tail. Am I correct? Now tossing a coin twice. Tossing a coin twice or tossing two coins once, one and the same thing. Another example, tossing a coin twice. Write down everybody fast. Now HH, HT and TH and TT. Now tossing another example number 2, then example number 3. I am covering all example here. We don't have a time to see these type of simple questions. Our all 1 mark questions will cover from this definition only. Be alert everyone. Now third one, tossing a coin thrice. Now sample space. आपको पता है NFS is equal to, already you have seen the formula, NFS is equal to 2 power n, number of sample point equal to 2 power n. So here 1 coin, 2 power 1, there are 2 sample point. Here 2 coin, 2 power 2, there are 4 sample point, and 2 power 3, 8 sample point. So this is triple H and then HHT. Write down fast everybody. HTT, then HTH, and then TTT, and then TTH, and then THH, and then THT. Okay. Now the last one, coin basis पे tossing a coin 4 times. Or 4 coin tossed once, or tossing a coin 4 times, one and the same thing. So now that is a 2 power 4, 16 sample point are there. So 16 sample point, let me start from H. H में 8 आना चाहिए टोटल बेटे आपके पास। HHT, then HTA, TT, then HTT, and then HT, HH, then HHT, and then HTTH, and then HTHT. 8. Then start from T, that is again 8, then TEH, then TTHH, and then TH several times, and then THTT, and then TTHT, and then THHT, and then THTH. Now count it, you must have 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 sample point are there. And that's I told you formula 2 power n. Okay. Now number 5, throwing a die, throwing a die, throwing a die. So that is S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is n of S is equal to 6 sample point. Now throwing a die twice or 2 dice are thrown once, one and the same thing. Shall I erase this side bete? Say yes, no bete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. बेटे whenever I ask question, please this is last topic हमारा touch online में ही चल रहा है. So if I ask any question say immediately please yes no immediately बता देना. So delay मत कर लेना please. So now next another example, throwing a die twice or 2 dice are thrown once, one and the same thing. So you must write sample point. That's I told you one more question will cover from here only. That is 1 1, then 1 2, then 1 3, then 1 4, and then 1 5, and then 1 6. And then similarly, all lines you must write. Don't write etc. 2 3, and then 2 4, and then 2 5, and then 2 6, and then 3 1. And then 3 2, and then 3 3, and 3 4, and 3 5, and then 3 6, and then 4 1, and then 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, and then 4 6, then 5 1, and then 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5. 5 6, and then 6 1, then 6 2, and then 6 3, and then 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Beta tomorrow I will send a new ID. Okay. Now anyhow, so these are all sample space example of sample space I told you. Now next let us begin event. Can you say what is event? Can you say it? You have seen in 11th standard all these definition. Can you say what is event? Yes, anybody? No? An event is a subset of sample space. An event is a subset of sample space. Sample space. It is always denoted by capital letters. Event is always denoted by capital letters, and element always denoted by small letters. That's you should know about it. Now example I am giving: throwing a die, getting an even number, or otherwise tossing a coin twice, getting at least one head. So what is at least one head? First let us derive sample space. Sample space, you know, if you toss 2 times, then we will get HT, and then TH, then TT, TH and TT. Okay, fine. Now what they are saying, event आपको express करना है, वो event at least one head होना चाहिए. बेटे कम से कम, जब कम से कम की बात करते हैं ना, we can go up to maximum. For example, आउट ऑफ 80 आपका 28 मार्क्स मिनिमम स्कोर करना है. सो बच्चे 28 से लेकर 29, 30, 31 स्टेप बाय स्टेप मैक्सिमम कहाँ है 80 तक स्कोर कर सकते हैं. सो व्हेन दे टॉक अबाउट मिनिमम यू कैन गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप मैक्सिमम. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट मैक्सिमम, मान लो एटमोस्ट मैक्सिमम 80 मार्क्स, मिनिमम कहाँ तक आते हैं 0 तक आते हैं. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट मैक्सिमम स्टेप बाय स्टेप कम डाउन minimum. If you talk about minimum, then step by step go up to maximum. ये होता है at least, at most. अब यहाँ पे tossing a coin twice and getting at least one head. So I have derived here sample space. And event is always denoted by capital letter. कम से कम एक head होना चाहिए. हमारे पास maximum 2 head है. So either HT or TH or otherwise क्या है? Maximum 2 हो सकता है head, double H. So this is called at least one head. At most means at most one head मतलब maximum एक head होगा, minimum 0 head भी होगा, उसमें आएगा HT, TH, TT आएगा, minute. Okay, so this is called क्या बोलते हैं event. So definitely ये is a subset of sample space. That is called event. Now types of event. बेटे थोड़ा fast लिखना. आज थोड़ा बहुत ही कर रही हूँ. Just let I am giving introduction. कल भी introduction continue होगा. और लेट ज्वाइनिंग कोई भी नहीं होना चाहिए. सो बी अलर्ट एवरीवन. आई डोंट नो आज टुडे पार्टिसिपेंट्स हाउ मेनी आर देयर. प्रॉपर अटेंडेंस आई रिक्वायर्ड ओनली 34 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर. सो सी प्लीज आई नीड योर रेगुलरिटी. दिस इज अ लास्ट टॉपिक. ठीक है ना, ये बात को ध्यान रखना. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ इवेंट्स. So types of events, let me start types of, can you remember these are all you have seen in 11th standard, everything, every definition, every formula you have studied in 11th standard. I don't know, could you remember or not? Now simple event, simple event, can you say simple event? What is simple event bete? Anybody? Okay, an event how only one sample point, only one sample point, that is called क्या बोलते हैं simple event. For example, if we toss a die, if we throw a die, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. और ये event, suppose if I take one event, getting an even prime number, So even prime number इसमें क्या होगा बेटे? हाँ जी, इवन प्राइम नंबर क्या होगा? 2. So that is called a simple event. So simple event का मतलब क्या बताया? An event how only one sample point is called a simple event. Now next, compound event. So what is compound event? 1 mark question they will ask from definition only. That's keep in your mind. How maximum 1 mark question made in this topic probability. Compound event. What is compound event? An event have more than one sample point. An event have more than one sample point. More than one sample point. Write down properly, bete. So for example, once again I am taking sample space, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Throwing a die. Or a event, suppose if I express getting an odd number. Getting an odd number. So what are they, bete, odd number?
135.
135. So that is more than one sample point. That is called what we say compound event. Okay, fine. बेटे attendance हमेशा end of time पे भी एक बार ले लेना. End of class. Now so ये event equal to duplicate 1, 3, 5. Okay, fine. So this is compound event. Now next another one, sure event. So ये क्या होता है? What is a sure event? An event have all element of sample space. All element of sample space. That is called क्या बोलते हैं? Sure event. So that is suppose example event I am telling. Throwing a die. Same example. Let us take throwing a die. Getting a number, getting less than 7. So what we will get the event? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is your sample space. Am I correct? So that is called a sure event. इसका probability always 1. So sure event का मतलब क्या बताया? An event have all element of sample space. That is called a sure event. Now next, impossible event. Impossible event. So what is impossible event? An event have no sample point. So एक भी sample point नहीं होगा. An event have no sample point. Example, throwing a die, getting more than 6, more than 6. So either A equal to, you can write like this, or otherwise you can write like this, empty. Okay, fine. Now let us take another one, mutually exclusive events. That's again I'm saying, already you have seen all definition in 11th standard. Without all these basic ideas, we cannot further move. That's why I'm doing revision here. Now, mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events. Exclusive events. So, what is mutually exclusive event? Let A and B are. A and B nothing events. Okay. Let A and B are any two events. Any two events associated from sample space, associated from sample space, then if A and B are mutually exclusive, A and B are mutually exclusive, then A intersection B equal to क्या होगा? Empty. कोई 2 event, 3 event, whatever you have to associate from sample space, that's intersection is empty, then we say that is called mutually exclusive events. Clear to you? Now, for example, I am giving a sample space that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by throwing a die and then getting an event, getting an even number 2, 4, 6. And getting an odd number another event, that is 1, 3, 5. Now what about the intersection of both sides, A intersection B, that is equal to empty. So A and B are called mutually exclusive. Now the last types, mutually exhaustive events. Exhaustive events. So what is mutually exhaustive events? ठीक है, टाइम इज रनिंग बेटे, थोड़ा फास्ट लिख लेना सभी. So mutually exhaustive events. What is mutually exhaustive events? Same definition. Let A and B are any two events associated from sample space. Associated from sample space. If A and B are called, if A and B are mutually exhaustive, then A intersection B equal to क्या होना चाहिए बेटे? Empty. Then A intersection B equal to, A union B equal to sample space. Then A union B equal to sample space. From the above example, अभी दिया है ये रहा example. From the above example, S given, A given, B given. If I find the A union B, that's equal to, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's equal to sample space. This A and B are called mutually exclusive as well as mutually exhaustive events. We have more definition. Whatever you have studied in 11th standard, that's we have to see remaining definition. Let you complete all these things. So please tomorrow join everybody timely. I will send a new ID today. Okay, so please maintain regularity. This is the last topic. आपकी स्कूल की एंडिंग टॉपिक चल रहे हैं. एंजॉय करो, जो whatever the present situation उसमें एंजॉय करो. और प्लीज़ सभी अपने अपनी क्लास वर्क होमवर्क सही करना शुरू करो. ग्राफ नोटबुक चेक करो वेदर यू हैव डन प्रॉपरली और नॉट. whenever you are coming, whenever your turns are coming, you should bring your notebooks properly so that I can analyze what you have done in your class work and homework. Clear to you? So maximum एक 1 mark question Google test we will conduct very soon. ठीक है, so थोड़ा टेस्ट लेते रहेंगे अब. So tomorrow we will see. Fine. So have you completed with everybody? हाँ बच्चे, did you complete?
No ma'am, 2 minutes.
Yeah, so completed, then I will wind up the class.